Hello, I welcome you all to this special training. This training is for only those who are using iPhones. So please, we are just about to start the class using the app I asked you to download. That's the text through. So after you finish the downloading, you have to launch the app. Just tap on the app that you've downloaded. Okay, once you tap on it, this is the interface. Okay, on top you see 0 stroke 80. Some phones is 0 stroke 60. But if yours is 0 stroke 60, it's all the same. That means you can type up to 60 or up to 80 characters.
So I'm going to type welcome to Bani Batiti free IT training. And the total words type is
9 over 80. You can type up to 80. If yours is 80, if it's 62, that means you can type up to 60. So once you are done, you just go to the play button. You can see some play button with a yellow background. So you tap on it. So once you tap on it, we have create text video, create intro video. But we want text video, so you tap on the text video, create text video. Now here you have to choose a size for your video. And so we have different sizes here. We have Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and many more. So please, you have to choose the size that you want. If you want for your YouTube channel, you just go and tap on the YouTube. If you also want for your Instagram, you tap on the Instagram. So let me tap on I like Facebook, so yeah, let me use the YouTube. So once you finish, you select the size that you want. At the top right corner, you see mark. So you tap on the mark sign. Wow, you can hear. That's just the first interface, or the first scene. Sorry, this is the first scene for tutorial for the slides we are making. So here, let's select anyone again. The texture is the background for the writing. You see the background itself. If you also choose gradient, you see how the gradient also looks. There are many there, so you just browse through. You browse through and search for the type that you want. So once you are done with the color that you want, then the front is the writing style. How do you want your writings to look like? So let me choose this. Okay. If you are okay with the font, so we now go to the image, the background. We want to put an image there. If you have an image, let's say in your phone, you want to use, so you tap on it. You tap on image. Then you go to your gallery. Okay. Once you select the picture you want to use, you crop it. If it is above the size you selected them. So once you are cool with that, then you tap on the correct sign on top. If you also wish to change the music that is playing, if you don't like it, you want to change, You see at your right hand side down, you see music. Tap on the music. Now this music, that's the inbuilt music for this app. If you also wish to go and use your own music, you can go to your local, then you search for your music. But let me use me. I like using what they have created. So let's go to drum. Now, when you are done with this, when you are done with the music and you want to save it, you are okay with everything that you've done. You just at your right hand side on top, the right corner on top, you see correct. So go and tap on the correct. So please, once you are done, you can go to your gallery and watch your video. Alright, thank you very much and hope to see you next tutorial. Please, you have to do 2 more videos in addition to this, okay, to make a successful video. So please do 2 more and add to this. Thank you.